Diesel lifts at 601 Coronation Drive. Nice Kone R9s. Very nice voice as well. Cab. Very nice. I haven't ridden some KSS 520s for ages. $1,600 21 persons, installed 2006. No voice to ground floor, that's weird. Don't get many lists of call acceptance beats, do you?
Level 4.
Damn it. That sounds lovely. There you go, set it free.